magandang umaga, sir. Welcome back to the Philippines. I'm Brian Kenneth Mirando, your airport representative from Blissful Agency. We're so happy to have you back home. Can I have your luggage, sir? This way, sir.
Asan na kayo yung anak ko? Oh, anak.
No, yun kay ang kagad na mo.
Sis, yung pasalubong ko ha.
Oo, mamaya na pag-uwi ko.
Tara na, no. Uwi na tayo.
Sis, ako na magdadala ng maleta mo.
Good morning, ma'am. Sir, this way, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, sir. May I have your order, please? Here's your order, ma'am, sir.
Alam niyo, I was thinking magbakasyon tayong family. Kasi it's been so long na din na nagbanding tayo together, di ba?
That sounds wonderful, Paul. Saan mo pa gusto mabakasyon na?
But how about sa Tagsawa Ruins? A natural destination, di ba? Pero, running by myself, like everything by myself, parang it seems overwhelming.
Yeah.
Dapat magamit kita sa travel agency. Mas mahapos ang tanan.
Good morning po. Welcome to Blissful Agency. How may I help you today?
We want to seek assistance po sana for our upcoming tour in Albay.
Sure po. Let me help you with that. Take a seat.
Magandang araw po. I'm EJ and I will be your tour guide for today. I'm with Coach Brian and we will be taking you to all the best spots here in Albay. Ready na ba kayo? One, two, three, pa. One, two, three. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, ulitin.
Pero that was an amazing trip, right, family? Natulungan talaga tayo ng travel agency to like made everything so seamless.
Yung travel agency talaga is our best decision. It allowed us to enjoy our time together without worrying anything, di ba?
Sa sunod siguro sa ila ulit kita. Gininhawa ninda proseso para sa aton. Ang pinakamaayo.
And the whole experience was so stress-free, right? And it really enhanced our family bonding.
Totoo, bukod sa Pogi yung tour guide, maganda pa yung service nila. Greetings my name is Mr. Pogi. Ay, okay na ako.